Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, December 1st. Hope you guys are doing great and that you had a very nice Thanksgiving weekend. Everything was really nice here. My husband's family came to visit and they stayed pretty much all weekend. Well, they left Saturday, but we had some really good family time. And yeah, it was good. And this week I've just been decorating. We're having, I think I told you, our master bathroom being redone. So that's going on as well. And actually, our contractor told me that his mom is a crafter and he was going to give her my name. So, hi, Mark's mom, if you're watching, he's wonderful. I'm sure you know that. But anyway, he's doing such a great job and he's such a nice person. So, we are here for a haul, and I figured I would come on this way because I have some bigger items to show you. I don't really have, I don't think really any crafty items. This is mostly home decor, Christmas type stuff. So let's get started with that. All right, so I got a lot of things at HomeGoods. This was over the course of a few different trips. I'm not sure if you know, but HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, they're open at 8 a.m. this week, so which is great for me because I like to go out shopping early and maybe not 8 o'clock, but I do get there early. So I did get a few things. The first thing I found was this cute gingerbread canister, and I'm thinking this is like a Valentine's Day decoration. I'm not sure. It was only $5.99. So they had a bunch of them. If you see them in your stores, make sure this isn't chipped. Some of them had some like nicks on it. So I probably should have got more than one, but I love this and I think it'll be great as a transition to Valentine's Day. The ribbon has snowflakes on it, if you could see. Whoops, it's showing you the wrong side. But that can easily be taken off if you wanted to for Valentine's Day, although it's snowy around here still. But the lid has hearts on it, and the gingerbread has a just a red bow on her too. So I'm going to put this in my hutch and I will show you guys my Christmas decorations. I've been busy working on that. So, and I got, hang on one second. Oh, I got these peppermints at Walmart to go in there. You know, these big tubs of Brock's peppermints. And this was like $6.98, I think. So I'm going to put some of those in that canister. And then the rest I'm going to be putting in packages as I send them out. I like to use them as like filler in packages. All right, so let's move on with more HomeGoods stuff. I got some cupcake, you know, liner thingies, and these are, that's the brand of them, or the label, and these were $4.99. And I like these because it doesn't have the little toothpicky things in them, which I don't really use that much. So you just pay for the cupcake, the baking cups. So this one comes with 3 different kinds. See that pink one with the gingerbread people and the peppermints. And then there's one with the houses, which is like an aqua color. And then there's a like a white one too that has both the houses and the gingerbread people. And they all have like gold trim on them too. So I thought that was so cute. And this is like the standard paper, baking cup size. And then I got some bigger ones too. Sorry, I gotta put stuff over there too. So these are the jumbo ones, and like I've told you before, I like to use these to put out snacks and stuff. The same with the smaller ones, but I do use these for bigger items. So this was $5.99, and I like the prints on these. I like the other ones better. This one has red that says joy, and the joy is in like pink and teal and gold, and then the Christmas lights too. So this comes with 40 of them. So this will be great. I do entertain at Christmas time. So the fall ones really worked out well for Thanksgiving. So I figured I'd get some Christmassy ones too. And then I got some paper plates today. Okay, these are square plates, and there's the red one and the white one. The red one has the white scallop trim and the white one has the red scallop trim. And these are by My Mind's Eye, and they were $3.99, and you get, what does it say? 12 9-inch plates in there. So these will be really pretty for, Christmas desserts and things like that, or even lunches, breakfasts, when you don't want to do dishes. And then I found these two. I thought these were so cute. Gina, look, isn't that so cute? You guys know Gina, Scrapinology. She and I both love like these cute old-fashioned Santa Clauses. I'm sure lots of you guys love him too. And it's pastel too. Gina's doing pastel next year, I think I heard you say, right? So good to stock up on these. So these were 16 for $4.99. These are by Punch Studio. And these are good. They're like, they're plates, but they're very like concave in the middle. So almost bowly. So I got those. And then I found some gift bags. They're just so cute. Look at this one. It's got like Santa and the reindeer and elves and gingerbread people all doing like yoga poses. And I love to do yoga. It's very relaxing for me. It helps me with my migraines. So this just really spoke to me. And look at Santa's like even in like a ugly sweater kind of outfit. So cute. So that's by Clementine. They always make the cutest things. And this was $2.49. And then this one I thought was adorable. It's got all the like Christmassy treats on it, even like a taco. And there's a snowman and an ice cream cone, a donut, pepperoni pizza. I thought this would be good for like a young man in my life, you know, son or nephew. So this was $2.49 also, Clementine. And then this one is a repurchase. This one I've gotten in years past, and I love this. I even have the matching wrapping paper, which I haven't seen in a while, but they did have the gift bag, so I got another one of these. This was $1.99, and I like the like rectangular shape of it, and it has gold ribbon on it. I'm just like a sucker for gift packaging, of course. And then, speaking of migraines, I picked this up for myself while I was at HomeGoods. It's a calming sinus pillow, and it's by Ali Eva Spa, and it was only $3.99. It says Marshalls. My Marshalls and HomeGoods is a combo store. There's a plain Marshalls like a little bit further away, but I usually go to the combo store one. So you can warm this up or chill it and just put over your face if you have, you know, I get sinus issues and migraines, probably related to each other. But anyway, I figured I'd try this. So I'll let you know how that works out. And that, oh, this was so cute. I found it at HomeGoods. This is for me. You know, I got to buy presents for myself. This is a light strand by Pink Sky, and it's got little cat donuts. So yeah, I had to get this, right? This was 8 feet long, and it was, let's see, where's the price? Oh, it's at the top. Oh, this was at TJ Maxx, I guess. This was $7.99. I don't remember when I went to TJ Maxx. I guess it was earlier this week. I don't know, you guys. I've just been having such a busy week. I'm sure you too, you know, this time of year is so busy. But anyway, I got this and I love it. I'll probably hang it up, probably on my quilt thing up there. Yeah, so I'll do that. And then this was definitely from HomeGoods. Now I'm thinking, okay, was it? This was I was looking for something new for my front door. So I got this swag. Do any of you guys use swags on your front door? I've only used wreaths in the past, but they didn't have this in like a wreath form. So I figured I'd try the swag. And I did, the bow I put on myself. I have like one of those bow makers. So I bought this pink ribbon at Aldi a while back with the intention to use it for my gift wrapping. And I do still have some left, so I can use it for that. But I figured it would look nice on the top of this swag. So the reason I really liked it was because of this snowman ornament. Isn't that so cute? And then it's got lots of red and white ornaments on it. It's flocked. It's got like these textured snowbally ones. That one has like sprinkles on it. So I thought that was really, really cute. And these are all the different things that come on it. So it's really nice and long. This was, I took the price off, but it was $34.99. And it does light up. The only problem is I don't think it has a timer. It just says off and on. And it takes 3 AA batteries, I think I put in there. I'll put it on so you can see. So there are the lights. I will try it on my front door. You know, I'll put the lights on. Usually if it doesn't say it's a timer, it's not, but once in a while you'll get a battery pack like this that automatically shuts off after 6 hours. So we'll try it. It's not the end of the world if it doesn't have a timer, because I just love it. And I can always wrap it with like a battery pack of timer lights, like separate lights. So, you know, I could do that, but I just love it. I love the like candy theme of it. And of course, you know, that little snowman guy just made it for me. So yeah, that's going on my front door. I just haven't put it out yet because, you know, we have the work being done on the bathroom. So there's a lot of in and out going on. I didn't want to like get in the way, you know. All right, I am reshooting this part of the video because apparently I forgot that I had my mic on last time, and I was showing you a bunch of pillows and I kept pressing them against me and making a lot of static, so did not make for a good video. So this is a retake of my pillow show. So I got a few pillows from Target and Temu and HomeGoods, just like Christmassy decor ones. The first one I want to show you, I think I've shown you before. This is from Target and it is super cute. It's a peppermint candy and it's like Sherpa, faux Sherpa. This was $10 from the Wonder Shop. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I showed this to you already, but I figured since it was here on a chair in my craft room, I would show you again. I'm gonna try to avoid touching my mic. So there's the first one. And then this one I got on Temu, and it's a cute little gingerbread house, and it's Sherpa and faux fur. And I love the snowflake detail on it and the cute windows. And it's a really nice size too. It was $13.78, something like that. 13 and change. I'll link it down below. And I really like it. I think it's so cute. And they had actually a red version too, but it wasn't available. It was sold out, but I'm going to keep an eye on it because I would like that one too. So yeah, super, super cute. And what else was I going to say about this? I don't know. I think you could use this all winter. It's got a heart, so it would be nice to have at Valentine's Day. And yeah, it's just wintry, really. It's not Christmassy at all, I don't think, besides it being a gingerbread house. So I got that one. And after I ordered this, I found a really cute similar one at HomeGoods, but it's bigger. So let me get that out, which is right over here. And it's huge, like I said. So this is by Cupcakes and Cashmere. And look at how nice and big this is. It's got like kind of like a nubbier Sherpa and faux fur on the top. This was $14.99. Let me show you the price tag. You can see that. Is it upside down? Sure is. So there's that. And then it's got really cute detail in the front, definitely more Christmassy with the trees. And then along the roof line, it's got red and white pom-poms. And yeah, it's just really nice and big. So I think this one, it's a little bit too big for my couch because I have other pillows on there, including this gingerbread one. But I'll put it like on my hearth when I decorate that, which I have been decorating. And I promise I will show you my decorations when I can, when I'm finished with them. So I got that. And then I got another one that I wanted to show you too. I just got my hair cut today. And if you've been following my gray hair journey, I used to have really dark brown hair and I dyed it, and just to avoid, you know, the gray. And I've been dyeing it since I was in my late 20s and I'm 54 now. But I was getting allergic to hair dyes, so I've been growing it out for like a year and a half, and I think it's mostly gone. My hairdresser said there's not that much left, just like this light brown on the ends pretty much. The back is still really dark. It's just like the front that has all this like white and gray. So I kind of like the ombre of it. I don't know, you know, it's healthier now that I'm not coloring it, and I'm okay with it, you know, not being brown. So it's been a process, but it's going okay, I think. But anyway, let's get back to the pillows. I picked this one up at Burlington, and I just thought he was so cute. It's like a light tan corduroy, and it's got the faux fur trim, which kind of looks like icing. And he's got a really cute expression on his face, and a cute bow tie, and real buttons on there. This was $10.99. Let me show you his tag. So there it is. And I bought this because I was watching the Queen. She does great hauls of Burlington, HomeGoods, Marshalls, even Ross, which we don't have Ross here. I'm hoping they come soon. I know there's, they're starting to come more into New York, so that's what I'm hoping. There's one in Pennsylvania, but it's like in Scranton, which is way too far for me. Anyway, so back to this guide. So she was showing this pillow on her channel, and I went to Burlington looking for it, and they didn't have it in the pillow section. I was kind of bummed, but whatever. And then I was checking out buying something else, and he was sitting in the checkout lane, like just on the floor next to a shelf. And I guess somebody picked him up and decided to, had second thoughts, whatever. So I picked him up, and he didn't have any like dirt on him or anything. He looks like in perfect condition. So I gave him the good home. So he's mine now, my little gingerbread friend. So I got that, and this is what else I had picked up at Burlington. These are cute little dish towels, and they were $4.99 for a set of 2, and they're just so cute. Look, they have like the little buddies holding hands, like Candy Cane and Gingerbread Man. There's a milk and cookies. There's a Christmas milk and cookies, and there's like snowflakes, and it's kind of Christmassy. It is Christmassy, of course, but it's got like all the cute little friends on it. These remind me, those like little plushy things they have at Target in the back in the Wonder Shop with like the 2 buddies. That's what they look like to me. So I love these, and I could always use new towels. After you wash them a bunch of times, they're pretty much done after the season. I have a few left over from last year, but I always need new kitchen towels. So I picked those up at Burlington. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. It's hard for me to get used to doing it this way, obviously, because I had to redo part of the video, but I didn't want you listening to a bunch of crackling. And hopefully there wasn't in this section, because this is my 3rd time filming it. I'm not doing it again. Take 3 is it. Anyway, I hope you have a great weekend. Today is December 1st, so it's the first day of Scrap Diva Designs' new release. She has some really great Christmas dies, Valentine dies too in this release. I just had a video yesterday, Thursday, showing all the new products and an example, so make sure you look at that. And if you want to order, I have a referral link down below in the description box. So if you click on that, I do get a commission. When you order, it doesn't, change your cost or anything. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. It really means a lot to me. It helps me and my channel out so much. And of course, there's a coupon code you can use too. Either or, it's strawberry cream, and you get 10% off of your order of $10 or more, which is super easy to do. It's always good stuff on scrapdivadesigns.com. So yeah, the link for that will be down below. I will link the Temu pillow. Everything else I just bought in store, so I don't have links for. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend. We're going to be decorating the tree. I forget if I told you that before or not, but we're going to be doing that this weekend. And yeah, just, finishing up some more decorating in the house. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye.